Okay, this is episode 97 of RV Dream Makers. And in this episode, we got a lot going on. We're in Glacier, and Devin had just left. And then I got a text from my former players at Sullivan, Ashley and Drew Comp, that played ball for me. And they said they were asked if we were in Glacier, that they were coming out to Whitefish for a country music festival. So we took them on a 10-mile hike, Iceberg Lake once again, because I think they would, we picked that as a short enough hike and scenic enough hike. And they swam with the icebergs, both of them. That's a great video. Then after they left, Paul and Deb Whaley from Canada that we met in Vegas, and their two big hairy children, as you will see them swimming in a lake later on in the video. But they came down. I took a little tour of their brand new Alliance, which is a great RV, by the way. I don't know if I've said it on here before, but if I am doing full-time, starting over again, I would only buy two brands of fifth wheels, Brinkley or Alliance. That's the only two. And I'm thinking we're going to switch out here in about 4 or 5 years, and or 3 or 4 years. I don't know, whenever. We'll see. That we'll switch to one of those two. But anyway, so we took Paul and Deb on, and the Cackleys, who showed up also. They had just got their new fifth wheel, and we took them all on a hike back to Iceberg. We took them to Hidden Lake. We did the 3 waterfalls. Which is St. Mary's and Virginia, and I can't remember the first one. That's terrible. I can't remember the name. But anyway, then we have some video of Paul and Deb with their babies in the lake, and Paul cooked us a great meal once again, because it's always nice to hang out with a chef. He was a chef in England, and oh my, he makes some unbelievable dishes. He makes stuff so good that it's stuff that I would normally not eat. But anyway, I think this is one of our better episodes. Anything in Glacier is always a great episode. So I hope you enjoy this video. We're on the trail. We're on the trail to Iceberg Lake. We have Ashley and Drew Crump from good old Sullivan, Missouri, back home.
We are ready. We are excited.
We're waiting for Michelle to catch up, because they said there's a grizzly up here on the right.
I have bear spray.
So
she's braver than me.
We didn't want her to be grizzly food, but here's our view. So anyway, get up here. He's coming this way. He's right. See this green tree right in front of us, straight in front of us? He just came underneath it, coming this way. Get your telephoto lens in there, Michelle. Okay, right at this tree, straight in front of us, the thickest one. He just moved right toward, coming toward us, and I don't know where he's at now. So you guys couldn't get a picture of him. I
I don't know if the camera picked him up, but he was pretty decent size too.
I just saw like the top of him start to kind of move.
Yeah, so he came up from the other trees. He's probably stopped and just laid down underneath the...
Okay, now he's probably just chilling.
Yeah, well, at least you guys got to see him.
Ooh, buddy, those are big.
Hey, Drew and Ashley at the halfway point. They're in the icy water. I can't believe Drew. He's like a polar bear. I got it all on video.
I don't like him.
I'll tell you what, I can't believe it. Well, that's what I was gonna say. I can't believe he was in there that long. I can't stand it. It's too cold for me. Any better?
Better, just like what he's doing to Superman.
Okay, we're up here at Iceberg Lake.
Cannonball coming.
Cannonball.
And here comes Drew. He's gonna cannonball.
That's a big one. Get on my phone and just send it to you.
Do that. Okay. You gotta do it for the YouTube channel.
Yeah. We're gonna see a cannonball and probably go to 1 million views.
St. Louis City! This is for you, St. Louis City!
Okay, Drew's already in.
Destroying an iceberg! That's a federal offense!
He's on the iceberg.
I'm gonna get back.
You better go fast, Ashley. Come on, dive in. Gee, dive it. You ain't gonna reach it.
Hey, our YouTube channel's rated G there, Drew.
Yeah, we got a rated G channel.
Yeah, we're gonna have to edit.
It's not bad once you're out of the water.
Yeah.
You guys, good luck.
Hey, throw a rope and you can pull us in. All right. Cannonball.
Come on.
That iceberg has traveled further and further from shore since we got here.
Yeah, the wind's pushing it farther out. You better hurry.
There's the one that they were on. Look how close it is here right now. It was right over here. See, the wind's pushing them
Just
all
dive in. Bite the bullet and do it.
Oh my God, I can't do that.
Well, you kids your glasses and a hat. Oh, Drew, you got to go back out there and rescue Ashley.
She's on her own.
Deeper now. Oh. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh, takes your breath away, doesn't it?
Oh, it takes something away. Deeper now. Oh. Holy shit.
Oh, takes your breath away, doesn't it?
Oh, it takes something away.
I thought athletes were supposed to be used to ice baths.
Oh, yeah. I haven't
shirt is
got into
frozen.
the ice stuff yet. Most of the people from
Your
the
shoes are
country, I'm like,
frozen.
My shirt's frozen.
Your shirt's frozen. You guys need the sun to come out. It don't look good for sun.
His legs were so red, he looked like he had been burnt. Yeah, he
That
couldn't
is
feel his
incredible.
legs.
got him? Or are you getting him?
Yeah, quit moving.
Hope he's gonna come out here.
That grass is so dang long.
I'm getting up here ahead of you. Hope he won't be under.
So we're driving, it's 8:30 at night, and we just filmed the grizzly, and then there's a bunch of elk up there. It's like, man, he was eating berries. He needs to come over here and he could have some meat. That's terrible. But I don't know if it's focusing real well because it's nighttime. But they're all up in there. We're around Two Dog Flats. It's gorgeous out. The smoke all disappeared. Jody's talking and I think they hear him.
Hey, there's a bear up here on the right. Yeah, right up there where all the cars are stopped. We got a good lot of filming on him.
Look at this sunset on the lake. It's amazing. It's so pink.
Okay, here we are. Paul and Deb Whaley from Edmonton, Alberta. They brought their two lovely children, hairy children. Here's their new Paradigm Alliance. Beautiful RV, inside and out. It's got full solar on it. It's got 3 air conditioners on it. It's got, oh, he pulls it with this nice Denali. 1 ton, and it's got everything. It's great. We'll have to show you inside. Go ahead. All right, Paul said to go ahead. Number 1, they got the great solid step nude lippers. One of these days I'm gonna get them. It's got a little hydraulic shock that makes it come down soft, but you got full I gotta find the lights. Rest them on the side. But anyway, you got a huge fridge and freezer. Nice stove. You got all the things pulling. Beautiful. Kensington. I never heard of those. And fireplace, TV, great pantry. I love these alliances. They are really made well. Look at this pantry with lights in it and everything. It's their can crusher they put on, but we love the full, no carpet anywhere. Ooh, they got the shoe storage under there. I'll have to ask them if they got a vacuum in there. Nice shower with a seat. It's a big bathroom. And then in here, I don't know what this does. Oh, that's their lights. They got a washer and a dryer. Ooh, a little seat to put your shoes on. They got a washer and dryer in here. He showed it to us earlier. I figured, oh, they slide. There's the washer, and then there's the dryer back there. This is their maiden voyage. With it, they stayed in Lethbridge for a couple days. But it's really, really nice. Really nice.
Good recovery. Good job, team. Come here, Bandit. Bandit.
Good girl. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. There we go.
I know
Good
that you
girl.
got. Come on.
Good girl. What a good girl.
Come on. Come over here. Where I can help you. Or just come in there. We're going to lose a water bottle. Come sit. Wow.
Good boy. Just gonna turn sideways. Okay, now. Belle, come.
Jump in.
Yay! Good girl, Belle. I got that on video.
Good girl, Brother D.
Good girl. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl.
All right. We get the whole group. I'll let them go in front of you. The Cackleys, the Whaleys, and the Brownies. No, we're not Girl Scouts. Taking them on Iceberg Lake. Me and Michelle's third hike on this trail in the last 10 days. We have it memorized. We already saw a black bear on the way in, and I have a feeling we'll see a few more here early in the morning, as long as we can spot them. They're hard to spot. So, 5 miles up, 5 miles back.
Yeah.
He's going, that's the fastest he's ever swam.
Everybody hits that screw it point.
Hopefully it doesn't break down.
Hey, it didn't break.
Yay, Bill! Woo!
Not bad for a 75-year-old guy.
Looks like Harrison Ford.
Okay, there's Paul.
I'm so glad Wyatt recorded all that.
Me too.
Don't eat the yellow snow.
Don't eat the yellow snow. Oh my gosh.
It's dripping down Bill's leg.
You want to go again?
Don't eat the yellow snow.
Maybe. That guy did it quick.
Skin up to there.
I'm good.
Oh, shred it down.
Oh, dear Lord.
And we're off.
Nope. Take too long because your feet get cold.
Whoa. Unstable. I just want to jump to it.
You got this. Go on, you got this.
Girlfriend. You aren't supposed to be living this long anyhow, so you might as well enjoy it.
She's wet. I'm wet. Okay. Okay.
Yep, come on, you're right. Get up. Get on there.
Listen to you, coach.
So you can do it.
My hands are still shaking from being cold. Yeah, you're up. Yeah, baby.
Can it hold all of us? You think?
Yeah, but you better hurry, it's gonna fall away on you, girl.
Yes, Sissy. Yes.
You're all on. You're all on.
Go to the next one.
Oh my gosh.
You're all good. Turn to me. And smile, Tracy.
Are you taking a picture? You okay, Tracy?
She's okay. Breathe, swim, breathe, breathe, breathe and swim. You're all right. You're all right.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. You go.
We're doing Hidden Lake with Paul and Deb are up front there, and Bill and Tracy.
Baby goat.
Coming back from Hidden Lake. Sure hope Michelle got a lot because I was too busy talking and forgot to film anything up there. She got the pictures of, we saw 6 goats, mountain goats, and a hoary marmot. So it's just aggravating. I was so busy talking that I didn't get anything. So hopefully she did.
Over yours, and then there you go. So now we have chicken breast stuffed with ricotta cheese and spinach, wrapped in smoked bacon, pan seared with onions. You deglaze the pan with white wine. You do a white wine and cream reduction sauce. You got glazed carrots with onions and bacon and honey, and braised rice with chicken stock.
And this is our meal tonight.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We still have more hiking in Glacier, which will be in 2 weeks. And then we got our video 1, maybe 2 before we come home of Yellowstone, where we really, you know, it's usually we stay away from Yellowstone because it's so crowded, but we decided, and we brought Michelle's mom. She flew into us. But we really dug deep into some great places to visit in Yellowstone, and it was really, really neat. But that's in 4 weeks. So, all right. Remember, God loves you, but only Jesus can save you.